60 seconds. That's all it takes to create content that gets shared 284 times. And today I'm giving you the exact tool that makes it happen completely free. What's up, everyone? Welcome to AVS. If you're creating content right now and feeling like you're shouting into a void, if you're spending hours designing just to get 3 likes, this video is about to change everything for you. The problem isn't you, it's not your creativity, it's not your message, it's your tools. And today I'm fixing that by giving you 2 things. Number 1, the Complete Viral Creators Guide, a 6-page PDF that shows you the exact patterns that work in 2026. Number 2, the actual AI-powered tool that creates this content for you in seconds. Upload a photo, choose your occasion, and watch as professional, engaging, viral-ready content appears. New Year greetings, birthday wishes, business announcements, anything. Both are free. Both are linked below. No email required for the tool, just click and start creating. But that's not even the best part. For the next 48 hours only, as a New Year celebration, we're offering something I've never done before. Want this entire tool with your branding? We'll customize it completely for you. And here's the crazy part. You set the price, minimum $5. You decide what it's worth to have your own viral content machine. This works for any occasion. Birthdays, holidays, client appreciation, product launches, everything. All the details are in the free guide you're about to download. Now, I know you might be thinking that how does this actually work? That's why I created a complete walkthrough video showing every feature, every template, every secret. The demo video link is right below this video. Watch it. See exactly how to create content that gets shared. But wait, there's more! Because we're celebrating, I'm also giving away free digital products through our digital vending machine. Ebooks, templates, swipe files, completely free. That link is also in the description. Look what Subi Thomas from our community created in her first 5 minutes, or how Selena used this to get 12 new clients last month. This isn't theory, this is real results from real people. Here's what I want you to do right now. First, download the free guide. Second, grab the free tool. Third, watch the demo. Fourth, check out the free digital products. Comment below with guide when you download it and tool when you try it. I want your honest reviews. Quick recap before you go. Free guide shows you the patterns. Free tool creates the content. Demo video shows you how. Free digital products are your bonus. And the custom branding at your price? 48 hours only. After that, this offer disappears and prices go up 300%. Here are your action steps right now. 1. Click the first link for your free Viral Creators Guide PDF. 2. Click the second link for instant free tool access. 3. Watch the demo video to master it. 4. Grab your free digital products. If you want the branded version for your business, all the information is in the guide. Pay what you want. We do all the technical work. You get a custom viral content machine. Hit like if this helped you, subscribe for more free tools that actually work, and I'll see you in the demo video where I show you exactly how to dominate 2026 with this system. Let's go create!